Hey guys, it's Mike. I wanted to show you real quickly how to, on a Windows PC, I don't have a Mac to show you and I wouldn't purchase a Mac anything. So um, first of all, I want to show you how to load a LightRoom preset. So it's available in LightRoom, and then also a Adobe Camera Raw preset so that it's available in Camera Raw or Photoshop. So the first thing that you need to do is locate the file that which you downloaded, however which way you downloaded it. For this example, we're just going to use Sandy's black and white Lightroom template. So I'm going to download it. I use Google Chrome and it pops up down here, but the easiest way to locate where it is just right click, show on folder, and then it automatically highlights it here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is navigate to your user profile. So in this case, most everybody's is probably going to be in C, users, and then select your username. Mine is Mike, and then from there you have to, it's a hidden folder, so you're going to have to type in app data / Adobe / app data / roaming / Adobe, and that'll get us to the parent folder or parent directory for all of these things that we're going to do. So the first one that we want to do is Lightroom. From Lightroom, we're going to double click Lightroom, and then we'll go into develop presets. And what's really nice about Lightroom is you can put each one of your presets in a folder, and then Lightroom will read from it, so it keeps a little bit more organized. So we'll do new folder, Sandy Harkness, and then from there we're going to just click and drag Sandy's Lightroom template into there, and we are done. Next time that you open Lightroom, and I'll show you real quick, it will be available in there. I really need to clean up my Lightroom. It started running slow. So if you look over here on the left hand side, once it decides to finally load, alright, there, you'll see that now it has a folder called Sandy Harkness, and then there's the preset. Alright, so the next one we'll do is Adobe Camera Raw. I haven't downloaded Sandy's Adobe Camera Raw, so I will find, we'll just do one of these real quick. So your Adobe Camera Raw stuff is going to come in an XMP format. Over here in this window, we're going to go back to Adobe, go to Camera Raw, and then into settings, and then you grab the whatever Adobe Camera Raw preset that you want and just drag it in. KLN is already in there, so I'm not gonna just copy over it, but that's essentially exactly how you do it. Pretty simple. The crappy thing about using, let me go back to where I was, sorry, settings, we'll talk about organization real fast. So in settings, Adobe Camera Raw does not support folders like Lightroom does. So it's, see these folders down here, I can get rid of those because they're not gonna, I was hoping that I can figure out a way to make them use folders, and I'm still gonna try to figure it out. But you have to, it just goes, it lists it alphabetically in Adobe Camera Raw. So what I end up doing to keep things organized is I use a 001. If it came in a whole pack here, and I'm in the process now of renaming a few because they had automatic installers or whatever it may be, and they labeled their files not in accordance with what I would normally like to do. So with the Sven presets, I put a 001 underscore and then whatever it may be, so on and so forth. And then if I going on to like Maston or VSCO or whatever other company that you decide to use, I'll just put a 002 for my next one. So for example, 002 underscore catch 8, and then I will do the next one because this also came part of that pack. 002. Catch. Oops, I'm sorry. That's her clear one. So just a 002 underscore. So now at least it'll keep it organized. It'll keep these two grouped together. So I'm in the process, like I said, going through and doing all mine as well, but it just takes a little bit of time. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. I'm sorry I drug on a little bit longer than I wanted to at the end. But if you have any questions, you can always message me in the group on Facebook or anything like that, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks.